Workers manually bundle the freshly cut sugarcane stalks, securing them with dried leaves before transport.
Keep coming, slowly now. Right here. All right, pull up another 2 meters and we'll get the weight.
The fibrous stalks of the sugarcane plant are rich in sucrose, essential for sugar production.
All right, keep it coming back slowly. Easy now. The pressure jets are clearing the debris efficiently now.
Noted. The flow rate seems stable.
The pressure looks good on this batch. Yeah, much cleaner than yesterday.
This close-up shows the fibrous interior of the sugarcane stalk, where the sweet sucrose is stored before being refined.
The Brix level is holding steady at 12.5.
And
Yeah.
the acidity looks perfect on this batch. We are clear for bottling.
The temperature is holding steady at 115.
Good, keep the pressure stable.
Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge during crystallization. Too much fluctuation ruins the batch.
Understood. The refractometer reading looks stable, though.
The separation rate looks good, right within tolerance.
Yes, the yield is consistent with the projected figures.
The color reading is perfect on this batch.
Noted. We are clear for processing.
This adjustment is critical for the automated scanner downstream. See the alignment here.
Ah, that makes sense. Thank you. The granularity is exactly within the specified range.
And the polarization looks consistent across the sample.
Excellent work. This batch is approved.
Check the manifest for the blue components.
Verified.
All accounted for.
The calibration on the check wire looks good. Yes, the alignment data is stable. We can increase the speed.
Okay, this pallet is fully checked in.
Confirmed. Moving to the next row now.
Place that one right there, next to the pallet.
Got it. This one is heavy.
Sequence initiated. Clear on your end?
All clear. Stacking looks good.
Okay, slide it in right there. Perfect fit. That's the last one.
As you can see, the automated arm ensures precise placement of the tape.
Yes, optimizing the seal reduces material waste significantly.
Check the pressure on the main line here.
Looks stable. The output flow is consistent with the target.
Moisture is 0.04.
Looks good. I'll make a note. Keep the flow moving smoothly, and we're ahead of schedule today. Clear those pallets next.